Integrating hybrid and multi-cloud environments with Azure Arc is like bringing all your scattered resources under one roof, whether they are in different clouds, on-premises or at the edge, which makes it easier to manage and govern them consistently. Diagram on the screen shows the integration pattern of the on-premise resources, hybrid cloud, and the other public cloud. Azure Arc sits at the center and facilitates the management of the workload. What you can achieve with Azure Arc? You can achieve unified management across diverse environments. Companies today face the challenge of managing complex environments spread across data centers, multiple clouds, and edge locations. Each of these environments often has its own management tools, which makes it difficult to have a unified view and control over everything. Azure Arc steps in to simplify this by offering a centralized platform that allows you to manage your entire environment together. Whether your resources are on premises, in other cloud, or at the edge, Azure Arc projects them into Azure Resource Manager, which give you a unified way to manage them as they were running in Azure. Using Azure Arc, you can achieve consistent management and governance. Azure Arc lets you manage virtual machines, Kubernetes clusters, and databases in a consistent way, regardless of where they are hosted. This means you can use the familiar Azure services and management capabilities you are used to, even for resources that aren't in Azure. It brings consistency to governance, inventory, and security across all your environments, which makes it easier to enforce policies and maintain compliance. Using Azure Arc, you can support DevOps and IT ops. In modern IT operations, companies often need to blend traditional IT ops practices with new DevOps model, especially as they adopt cloud-native patterns. Azure Arc supports this integration by allowing you to continue using your existing IT ops practices while introducing DevOps practices. For example, you can use GitOps to deploy configurations across Kubernetes clusters from Git repositories and ensure that your environments are consistently configured and up to date. Using Azure Arc, you can support custom locations and Azure services on any infrastructure. Azure Arc enables you to create custom locations on top of your Kubernetes cluster, using them as targets for deploying Azure resources. This means you can run Azure data services like a SQL managed instance and PostgreSQL on any Kubernetes environment as if they were running directly in Azure. These services benefit from Azure's features like elastic scale, updates, and security even when they are running outside of Azure. Using Azure Arc, you can manage external resources as Azure resources. Azure Arc currently supports managing several resource types hosted outside of Azure, such as servers, Kubernetes clusters, Azure data services, SQL servers, and virtual machines. In essence, Azure Arc allows you to integrate and manage hybrid and multi-cloud environments with ease, providing a consistent, centralized platform for governance and management. It supports both traditional IT ops and modern DevOps practices, which makes it a powerful tool for managing diverse and complex environments. Whether you are running servers, Kubernetes clusters, or databases, Azure Arc will help you extend Azure's management capabilities to any infrastructure and simplify operations and enhance security across your entire IT landscape.